Hey everyone, welcome back to Right for Education Africa. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of machine learning, or ML, one of the most exciting branches of artificial intelligence. Chances are, you've interacted with ML technology without even realizing it. But what exactly is machine learning, and how does it work? Think Siri, Alexa, or even self-driving cars. These are all powered by machine learning. Simply put, machine learning is the branch of AI that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions on their own with minimal human input. It's an AI branch that allows computers to learn from data with minimal human input. Imagine your email automatically detecting spam. That's ML in action. The system learns which emails are unwanted by analyzing past data and continuously improves itself over time. But how does it learn? There are three main types of ML. First, reinforcement learning, where the system learns by trial and error and gets rewarded for correct decisions. Think of AI in gaming or robotics. Second, supervised learning. Here, the system is trained using labeled data. For example, teaching a model to identify oranges among a collection of fruit images. Third, unsupervised learning. The system works with unlabeled data, finding patterns on its own. For instance, grouping images of different foods based on categories. So why is ML important? Machine learning allows computers to solve complex problems faster than humans, handle repetitive tasks efficiently, and make accurate predictions based on data. It solves complex problems faster, handles repetitive tasks efficiently, and makes accurate predictions. It's being used in medicine to detect diseases early, in finance to spot fraudulent transactions, in marketing to improve customer experiences, and much more. The possibilities are almost endless. As AI continues to shape our daily lives, understanding the fundamentals of machine learning has never been more essential. By grasping the basics, you'll be better prepared for a world where data drives decision-making across industries. Want to read more insightful articles like this? Visit rightforeducation.org. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more educational content.